LED cloud ceiling. According to a popular TV series, it's always sunny in Philadelphia. However, there are sunnier places on Earth. The city of Yuma in the US boasts the title of one of the sunniest places globally, with 90 of sunny days a year. That's why the locals might appreciate this DIY cloud ceiling with lighting. It's easy to make using basic materials like polyester or polypropylene. You may find some inside a duvet and 2 LED strips totaling 10 meters. These strips emit a brightness of 6000 lumens and last for about 50,000 hours. You can attach them using glue tape or a stapler. Floating bed. This bed would fit right into David Blaine's apartment, as it looks like it's floating in the air. You don't need magic skills to make your own version of this bed, though the trick is simple. The support is just much smaller than the bed. You'll only notice it if you look under the bed. Adding backlighting makes it look even cooler and guarantees your guests will be impressed. These projects are doable, even on a modest budget. For instance, the creator of this bed bought the boards for $12 each, while the 5-meter LED strip along with a remote control cost him $30. Outdoor table uses for old tires. Once shredded, they enhance the strength of recycled concrete tires, can also produce freeze-resistant fuel for temperatures as low as -52 degrees. Celsius and creative DIY enthusiasts on YouTube present tire furniture. Take this light-up tire table, a great gift for car owners or enthusiasts. If you're interested, the same channel showcases a planter, a doghouse, and even a water fountain made of tires. If you have a pond, perhaps with Koi Carb, consider adding these effective filters. Even homemade ones do the job well. The creator of this model shares that it cost him around $250 and is suitable for ponds up to 10,000 liters. Filter fillers are available on Amazon. You can buy a bag of 300 bio balls for around $25, and you can find a suitable barrel at most hardware stores. Another DIY option provides fish with added comfort, featuring a water pre-treatment system and a 61 by 1 22 centimeter glass window. Floating faucet fountain. Since we're talking about levitation, let's take a look at this unconventional fountain that anyone can make. You'll need a bucket or another container. Stone's Pebbles will do a submersible pump, a faucet, and a rigid clear acrylic tube. The one in the video is about 50 centimeters long with a 20 millimeter outer diameter. You can find detailed instructions with photos and a video guide on creativity. Hero.com. The final piece looks impressively cool, fitting even on a store shelf. It's beautiful fun and offers room for upgrades, such as adding LED strips for extra flair. Garage attic elevator. Moving to a new home involves handling a lot of boxes, requiring both physical effort and clever solutions. The craftsman in the video faced a challenge when finding storage space above his garage. In his new house, he and his son devised a garage elevator powered by a 1.4 horsepower engine. This system effortlessly lifts and lowers loads weighing around 250 kilograms, which is perfect considering the potential strain on the rafters, which had never experienced such a pressure before. An added safety feature is the emergency braking system. fire pit. By the fire is a wonderful reason to set aside your gadgets and relish nature for a bit. Here's the catch off the shelf. Fire pit kits can strain your budget, easily surpassing $1,000. Many opt for the DIY route, capturing their efforts in videos that garner thousands of views, making a fire pit might appear straightforward. Yet it's easy to overlook drainage ducting and handling leftover soil in the midst of the building excitement. The pit's final diameter is about 1.5 meters with a depth of around 60 centimeters. And thanks to diligent supervision from the foreman dog, the result is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Hammock Pergola. You can also easily create something interesting for your backyard. Ever thoughts of combining a pergola with a hammer? Can a projector screen the whole project cost around $300, equivalent to 50 coffees in Starbucks? The creators generously shared a list of materials and aim to inspire others, have even made step-by-step instructions captured in 2 clips, lasting 7 minutes in total. Which means that it should be easy. The hammock can hold up to 204 kilograms, perfect for relaxing together after working on the setup. Stairs and porch repair. Are your porch and stairs looking worn? Reach out to this expert who created a series of videos turning a wooden beast into a stunning beauty worthy of a show like Extreme Home Makeover, from picking the right lumber to avoiding common mistakes. The creator delves deep into the topic. The effort was so thorough that the humble view count seems unfair. The project, by the way, comes from Canada, where construction knowledge is abundant. Take, for example, this Canadian house made of 600,000 recycled plastic bottles. Plus, this expert takes custom orders, surely making many Canadians happy. Guitar display case. Now it's time for a guitar storage masterclass. This Epiphone guitar now resides in a splendid illuminated display case. The reason this guitar was signed by Linkin Park, the creator poured their heart into creating the case, employing a Japanese woodworking technique called shusugi-ban, which involves charring the wood with open fire. Traditionally, 3 boards are formed into a triangle stuffed with straw and satellite for a quick 3 minutes. Nowadays, it can be done with a blowtorch, and the result is equally stunning.